Are you allergic to nature? Well, why are you sitting at home on the couch doing nothing? Come on out in Yahweh's playground. One thing about Yahweh's people, they are not allergic to nature. They are nature. Yahweh created them from the earth. They are the earth. The only thing that Yahweh's people are allergic to are things created by man. Man that is influenced by Satan, the devil. Yahweh's people are creators too, but they would never create anything that's going to harm the environment or people. I love nature.